Yo, I just got done watching Adam LZ's video. Was it building an R34 in 20 minutes? And yo, it's so motivating, inspiring. I think it's so cool that they do everything in-house, and it's just a bunch of things that I want to do myself. Like, I don't know how to do it, but I really want to learn, and I want to one day build completely from the ground up, you know? Like, they took everything apart and redid everything, and wow, it's so motivating. And I'm over here contemplating and, you know, just procrastinating about taking my motor apart on the Prelude. But Adam LZ's video is like an eye-opener to me. Like, yo, if I want to be on that level, I gotta move past this. I need to stop wasting time, and we need to knock this out. Yeah! But first, I need to get this guy off of me. Straight chillin'. Alright, I'm pumped. I'm ready, yo. I've been wasting time all day, but yo, right now, we're gonna make this happen. I did very minimal research, but today's goal, we're just gonna get the motor up on the freaking engine stand. I think we just gotta take off these, what are these? 12-point bolts, and then there's a couple right there, and bam, that should be it. And if we're feeling really confident, we're gonna keep moving and just take apart the whole motor. Check out what we got here. Yo, Zeddy? What? This isn't OEM, is it? What you know about that? Because I definitely don't know anything about that. Oh man. And I want to say that this is probably beat up. I don't think it's supposed to look scratched up like that. Yeah. Well, frankly, I don't even know what I'm looking at. I think this is the flywheel, clutch, flywheel housing. No, clutch housing. I don't know. But I don't think that's supposed to be scraped up like that. Oh, it's kind of heavy, and I probably shouldn't hold it by that teeth. And then look at this. It looks like we got a brake rotor up in here. Ooh. Look at that. Yo, if you could check this out and tell me what's the condition of this, and if I should replace it, be sure to let me know before I put it all back together. And look at this. This got some marks on here. The marks are more than likely from this thingy, which is why it looks all scraped up. And I'm not sure if this side matters to y'all, but it looks nice and oily or dusty. Woo, but overall pretty clean and no scrapes. But yo, I didn't realize that we get here so quickly. All we gotta do is lift it up and make this happen. If someone with the mechanical eye could tell me the condition of my rear main seal, and I guess this is the oil pump, what do y'all think? Anything I need to change or clean up? Be sure again to let me know before I put it all back together. Alright, moment of truth, guys. I think we're good. Everything's secure. There is one issue though. This one, I think it's stripped because it feels tight, but it feels like I keep spinning it, whereas these had stopped. So I might have to retap this thing right here. And if you look really closely, you can see the thread kind of showing. Man. Pretty sketch, but I mean, we got 3 that are secure. The 4th one is, it's holding. I'm really nervous because I've never put an engine on an engine stand. And this engine stand alone just looks like, is it really gonna hold that freaking engine without dropping it? I guess we'll see. Alright, Jesus, take the wheel. Oh, looks like we're good. Engine stand coming in clutch. What would we do without such an adventure? Now we're gonna finally put this engine hoist away. This thing just takes up so much space. Oh, this thing is heavy. Ugh. Yo, with the engine hoist out the way, look how much room we got now. God dang, it looks so spacious now. Woo. We finally got the motor on the engine stand, and yo, this thing is super dirty. Like, this is gonna be a lot of work, man, just to clean it up. And unfortunately, I don't have a pressure washer, so it's gonna be hard to clean this up. Well, I guess the next step is to go ahead and take off the head, undo all the timing stuff, and then we could turn the block upside down and start getting in there and replacing the piston rings and whatnot, which is definitely much easier said than done. I don't know if you could tell, but yo, this was very like mentally exhausting. I put this off for so long. I mean, yeah, all we did was just take off the flywheel and clutch, but I don't know, man, just first time putting it on the stand, and just the fate of this engine is held by not 4 but 3 studs or bolts. So this is just one small step, but hey man, I mean, progress is progress. But that's gonna do it for today. In the next video, I'm gonna go ahead and do a teardown on the motor. Who knows how far we'll get. It's been a while since I've taken the head off, but it definitely won't take too long. Let's hope. But yeah, yo, I just want to get this video posted to show you guys that I'm not slacking. Even if I post on Instagram that I really don't want to do this. Because I really don't. But alright guys, I'll see you on the next one. Yeah!